So guys, today's problem is asteroid collision. So we are given an array asteroids of integers representing the asteroids in a row. For each asteroid, the absolute value represents its size and the sign represents its direction. Positive meaning right direction, negative meaning left direction. Each asteroid moves at the same speed, and find out the state of the asteroid after all the collision happen. If the two asteroids meet, the smaller one will explode. Smaller one will explode. But if that both are the same size, then both will explode. Two asteroids moving in the same direction will never meet because they both are moving in the same direction. So for example, we have 5, 10 and 5. So first of all, 5 asteroid. The asteroid who have a weight size 5, and then a 10, and then a 5. So according to the question explanation, we can see 5 will be moving in the right direction. Right direction is this. 10 is also moving in the right direction. Right direction is this, because they are greater than 0, means they are positive. Positive meaning right direction. And the minus 5 is moving in the left direction, so they will collide. Who will collide? This 10 and this minus 5 will collide. So now how the collision happen between both? Collision will only happen when the asteroid previous asteroid is moving in the right and the new upcoming asteroid is moving in the left. The only collision happen is this, in this way. If the previous is moving in the left direction, for example, if the previous is moving in the left direction and new upcoming is moving in the right direction, then they will never meet. They will never meet. So this question is little bit tricky to solve, and most of the students fail at some test cases also, and some of the edge cases I will discuss also. So in this case, in this given example, what will happen? 5, 10 and minus 5. Minus 5 magnitude is lesser than the 10, so 10 will be there but 5 will be explode. Okay, so 5 will be explode, so our resultant will be 5 comma 10 only. Okay, so another example I will discuss. If for example, the edge case minus 2 and 2 and 2, what will be the answer of this according to the question? So this one is a tricky one, as minus 2, these both are moving in the left direction. Okay, so they will never collide, and this 2 is moving in this direction, this 2 is moving in this direction. This 2 moving in this direction, minus 2 and minus 2 moving in this direction, so they will never meet. Okay, so the answer of this problem will be the same as the asteroid array. Okay, answer will be same. Okay, this will be the answer for this. So how we will tackle this problem? We will use the stack. We will use stack data structure in this problem, and how we will using. So we have a stack data structure, and what are we doing? We are firstly checking whenever a positive number is coming, positive magnitude is coming, we will simply push that, because the collision will only happen when the stack top will be greater than 0 and the upcoming will be less than 0. Okay, so that is the only case when the collision happen, and that one is only case then when the collision is happen. Okay, and when collision is happen, there will be 3 conditions we have. What are the conditions? If the magnitude of the स्टैक के टॉप का जो मैग्नीट्यूड है अगर वो ग्रेटर देन 0 है, एंड uh, and the upcoming asteroid is -1, means moving in the left direction and having the magnitude greater. Having the magnitude of the asteroid will be greater. So what will happen? So if the magnitude is greater, so this the stack top will be popped. Okay, stack top will be popped. Why? Because the magnitude of the upcoming asteroid is greater, so this will explode the up existing one. So we will apply the while loop there. Okay, while means up to what, like 5 and 10 and -20 will be there. So when -20 is coming, -20 will explode the 10. Okay, so that will be like this, and -20 is coming, so -20 will again explode what, our 5 also. Okay, so when we are pushing, we will push in our stack positive magnitudes as it is, but when a negative is coming, so there will be three conditions happen. One condition is this: if the magnitude of the upcoming is greater than the existing one, then we will pop. Okay, and if the magnitude of the top is greater than the asteroid upcoming, okay, if the magnitude of this is greater, so this will explode. Okay, so this will explode. And another condition, if the magnitude of both is same, then both will explode. Okay, if the magnitude of both is same, asteroid top and the upcoming asteroid is same, then both will means we will pop the existing one and we will not append the upcoming one also. Okay, so three conditions happen. So as we are writing the code as well. Okay, so whenever a positive one is coming, we will simply push in our stack, but when the negative is coming, we will check what I explain here. Asteroid top is less, then we will apply the while loop up to what, like 10 will be popped, 5 will be popped, up to when the our existing one is lesser than the upcoming one, then these things happen. Okay, so we are applying the while loop. What are the conditions? The conditions are the most important. Our top, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपना स्टैक जो है वो एम्प्टी नहीं होना चाहिए. एम्प्टी नहीं होना चाहिए मीन्स कुछ नंबर्स उसमें होने चाहिए. मीन्स स्टैक शुड नॉट बी एम्प्टी. एंड एस्ट्रोड टॉप इज ग्रेटर देन 0. जो इसका टॉप है वो भी पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. दिस इज द कंडीशन. इफ दैट्स ओनली द collision will happen if the stack topmost is moving in the positive direction and the upcoming is moving in the left direction. Only then the collision will happen. Okay, so asteroid top is greater than 0, and one more condition, absolute value of the top is lesser than the absolute value of the asteroid upcoming. Okay, so we will pop all of these. Okay, and after popping all, we will check if our stack is not empty and our stack to top, as I discussed this condition, if both are equal magnitude. Okay, if both have equal magnitude, then what happen, we will pop. Okay, we will pop that one, and we will not add the upcoming asteroid also, because though both have same magnitude, so we will explode both. And we else what happen, what I'm checking, if the our stack is empty and our or I am adding the condition or, if our stack is empty means we can push the asteroid. Okay, upcoming left one we will push that. Or if the asteroid top is less than 0 means the existing in our stack, the existing asteroid is -1. Okay, like this, existing one is also negative one, so we will push. Okay, but we will push upcoming negative magnitude asteroid, we will push. Okay, so after doing all this process, after means we after applying all the upcoming asteroids in the stack, we will return the resultant. How? we will be checking our stack. If not empty, up to we will push back all the stack element in the resultant vector, and after that we will reverse it, because stack is what, as I told in my previous video, stack is last in first out. Okay, so because of the LIFO we have to reverse this, and we are returning this. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and time complexity will be OOF, O of n, where time complexity, as we are, time complexity will be O of n. Okay.